Hi Craft Angels, Vanessa here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with a printable reveal for Tina Loves to Craft. And this is her Autumn Attack printable kit. And it has 30 pages. And I will show you all of the pages here. Here's one. It says Hello Autumn here. You got your pumpkins, your fall leaves, your little can here, your wheel, wagon wheel. And then we have this. It's lined up. I gotta get more of those. Here's your little green truck here with your fall leaves and everything. Just squash. And here's a grid line with your fall leaves. Your wood paneling with your fall leaves and little twigs and all of that in it. Then you have your wood paneling again with some little gnomes here. A little spot for journaling, your leaves, and your autumn tree here. Then we have this one with the little fox here, a pumpkin, the cornucopia. Here is your grid paper, the owl in the tree. Here's music paper on wood paneling with a journaling spot, a little gnome, and a wheelbarrow of pumpkins with mushrooms and all that. Your branch. Here is one with a box here. And you have your cherries or tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. Your wording page, book pages here. Your autumn leaves, a little squirrel in the corner. Here's your autumn leaves and your pumpkins with script in the background. Here's more autumn stuff with journaling spots, your cornucopia, and your gnome. Here's one of my favorite pages with the script and the framing of the autumn florals. Here's a pocket, a tag, another pocket and tag. Here is some little squares with different autumn florals and stuff, and here's your tuck spots. These you can, I got an idea. I'm not going to reveal the idea until I work on the project. Here is your autumn border with two tags with florals on it. Well, not florals, leaves. Here's another border here with another pocket or an envelope. Here's another envelope with your, which is, I'm going to show you the page that this comes from. Let's see. It's this page, okay? That's on here. And you have little journaling spots for, like, if you can use this to send something out in, because you can address it here and here. Okay? You just back it with a little bit of cardstock and you got it. And here's a little panel here. You can put a photo here, or you can, oh, I got an idea for that one. I'm not revealing. These I have ideas for. You see your Hello Autumn, which is your very first page here. So I see what she done with this. She took all the big pages and turned them into smaller ones. Good thinking, Tina. And then you have two journaling pages here with another border here. You got your tickets, your ovals, and your coins here. And then you have your, whoops, I got this upside down, I can't see. Your pumpkin latte, pumpkin pie, another pumpkin latte, or pumpkin coffee. And then you got your pumpkins, your squash, your pumpkin pie, and your acorn. Here's another pocket or envelope, whichever you want to put it. And you got a couple of little florals there. Here's some tags, or what they call them. Not tags. It slipped my mind. And you got October, September, November, cinnamon, blessings, autumnal gift things. You got some little tickets here you can use for whatever. And you have bingo card, a library card, and here's your wood paneling again with the can, the wagon wheel, and the pumpkins with the lace. Here's another bingo card here, giving, thankful, and autumn. Oh, I can't wait to work with this one. You got some more pieces here. You have your flags, your gnome, your squash and pumpkins. Oh, she went all out for this one, y'all. Here's some little journaling cards. Here's some pockets. Here's some more tickets. Oh, I love these. This is the last page, but I love this kit, and I can't wait to work with it. I have ideas that's running through my little noggin here. So if you want to see what I do with this kit, please stay tuned to the next video, and you will see how I take this kit and piece it to my own little noggin. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and subscribe and the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be blessed, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye.